we're going to Chada Valencia today. Happy Sunday. Everybody's healthy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I will show you the nice view there in Chada Valencia, the next town of Dumaguete City, around 20 minutes ride from Dumaguete. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're on our way to Valencia, Chada Valencia of Negros Oriental. Let's go! Alright, the view is so nice. That mountain, can you see that? Woo! So nice. Alright, let's go there. Hindi, biro lang po. Andyan lang, banda, city ng Valencia. See, is it city already or town? The next town only. We have to use our car because it's quite a distance. So, kailangan namin kasi mainit. It becomes colder since it's elevated already. Alright, we're so near already. Chada Valencia, here you come. Alright, we're here. Carton is parked here. Papunta na kami sa main Valencia. Makimarites na kami kung anong nangyayari dito. Anyway guys, this is happening every Sunday where everybody is gathered here because ang daming benta, mga agricultural products, and meron na rin iba-iba. Merong sari-sari na rin sa ngayon. Right. Natural wars. Daming tao. Dami pong plants. Iba't ibang uri ng plants na pwede namang mabenta nila. Pwedeng mabili to. Actually, this is for sale. These are for sale. Oh? So nice! Yung red, oh. Let's go. Wow, may tennis court pa. Alright. Tennis court. Dito daw sila sa ano eh, fountain banda. Bully! Basketball court din. Alright, fountain! Pero sila tao. Nang naglaro, ay tapos na. Ay, kito-kito. Ay! Asa na ka? Hey! David! Patay puno-puno, good herbs. Asan sila? That's a church. Wow! Perfect! Daming tao. That's a church. Uy! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Nag-eat mo? Ha? Ha? I-eat na ka? Hello! Yes! So excited to see you guys! Brazil! Brazil! Woo! Hello! Asa ang murampa? Asa ang murampa? Manok. Asa ang nakadugay kay murampa mo ni? Asan sila teachers? Ha? Teachers? Walking. Da, okay rang tulog? Alright. Cool place. Tao, talaga. Tonggo lagi ano?
Ako bekes. Ano ewan sila na kung wait, sige ako sa chiste.
60 ka?
Hindi ako dili.
Dili na.
Oh, really?
60 pa.
Huy! Lamon ang lamon! Oh my God!
Pagkara-gara pa, nagpanahit tayo. Kaon ka ba?
Ano, teacher siya? Oh, nag-bake kayo mong karyon?
Remember? Saan na kita mo pa ba?
Ayan, bingkas din. Bingkas dyan nga naman. Palasik nga.
Hey. Wow, cauliflower. Oh. So many tao po dito. Benta-benta. Oops. Magician fruits. Church. Bulldog. Pad Thai. People in the world love people. Coffee. Whew. I had a great tour over the place. Let's go.
Tira, so si Kwan, Jane. Para mahuman.
Bagong negosyo ni Tita Chuy. Patimbang with charge.
Opo, may cheers.
Patimbang with charge.
We cherish hand in hand.